With election comes violence in West Bengal. 2026 is no exception. So here is a brief history of political violence in Bengal in the last 2 decades, told through some of the bloodiest episodes. In the final part, we talk about the bloodshed since BJP's rise in the state. 2019 Lok Sabha elections. BJP emerged as the principal challenger to TMC in West Bengal. Major clashes were reported in North Bengal and Barrackpur. At least 12 to 15 deaths and 700 injuries were reported during the 7-phase elections. 2 years later, the 2021 Assembly elections. Mamata Banerjee-led TMC returned to power for the third time after a high-decibel fight with BJP. But 17 deaths and 1,300 incidents of violence, also 7,000 cases of molestation were reported during the entire election phase. Union Home Minister Amit Shah claimed that over 130 BJP workers were killed in Bengal between 2019 and 2021. 2 years later came another panchayat election. Bengal witnessed one of the most violent local polls in recent history. 45 to 55 deaths were reported, 12 to 18 were killed on the polling day. 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Over 900 companies of Central Armed Police Forces or CAPF helped prevent industrial scale casualties that were seen during the 2023 panchayat polls. 10 deaths, 100 incidents of assault, multiple incidents of EVM vandalism were reported during the election phase. As we come to an end of this story, we hope the high-stakes 2026 Assembly elections will be different. But we leave with this particular quote from Zaad Mahmood, a professor of political science of Presidency University in Calcutta. Elections in Bengal are not just about politics. It is connected to people's livelihood and basic survival, where the winner takes it all. If you lose the election, you lose your livelihood, your home, your village.